My dear guys, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. I am also fit and fine, grace of God Almighty Allah. Once again, in front all of you only learn English, my dear brother and sisters. I am a learner. I right now 2024 is the very important for me, and initially I am is not good. Initially everything is not good. We are all learner. Right now I have some mistakes, but I am a beginner. I am a crazy learner. I practice in every single of the day with very consistency and persistency. In this way I practice in, and I know I will reach my destination. I have some mistakes, no matter, I try to rectify my mistakes. So every single of the day, every single of the moment, I think in English, I practice in English. Just I want to upgrading my English. So in this way I practice more and more. I know I have to practice more and more. I have a big dream. Actually it is difficult to implement, very difficult, I know, all of you know. So every single of the moment I practice in, just I want to do something better in my life. Initially it's not good, I know. I have so many mistakes, but it is very well. Mistakes makes something better. If I mistakes, no matter, I don't care that. So today or tomorrow I overcome all my mistakes, inshallah. So in this way I practice. I have to practice a lot, I know very well. So my dear guys, this is the exact time I enhancing my thought day by day. I improving my English. I can see I am right now I am playing so very fantastic in this moment, because I love English very much. I know I love English very much, and I have a big dream. Until the dream come into reality, I always practice in this way. Just I want to do something better in my life. My dear guys, I want to pray for me and stay with me, and I always try to upgrading my English. I improving my English. I want to do something better in my life. In this way I practice a lot. I practice more and more, my dear guys. Everywhere I practice. When I get free time, I know when I start a new dance, that I have a lots of times, I have a lots of sense to my career. So in this way I practice every single of the day. When I start a new day, I have a new opportunity, I have a new chance to change my career. I believe that. So my dear guys, already video is longer, no matter. Actually when I speak and start my video, at that time different type of things are automatically come on my mind, and in this way I impress in front all of you. So no matter, my dear guys, initially it's not good, I know, I accept very well, but I have a confidence. I start my journey. I always rectify my mistakes. I always practicing, I improving my English. My dear guys, I want to pair. I don't want to make it more longer. Assalamu alaikum.